Hello everyone, my name is Davini Dali and today is the presentation on research methodology. For that, I am going to present on the topic qualitative versus quantitative research. These are my academic information and this is the table of content. First, we discuss research and the types of research. Research is conducted to serve a diverse range of purposes, as such as enhancing the knowledge of the researcher and developing theories and revising facts. Research is the most widely used tool in increase the brush up and the stock of knowledge about something and someone. According to John Creswell, he defined research as in the definition that research is a process of steps used to collect analyze information to increase our understanding of a topic of issues. In the easy language, we can say that the research is involves gathering and analyzing information for formulating and questioning, and also in the drawing of conclusion based on the evidence. Research can be categorized into various types of enhance our comprehension and its intricacies, and several classification bases can be employed, and including the nature of data and branch of knowledge, and extent of coverage and place of investigation and method employed and more. Research design are type of inquiry within qualitative and quantitative, and the mixed method, and it is approach the provides specific direction for procedures, and in a research design others have called them strategies of inquiry. uh, the research can take various forms, including scientific experiments, and surveys, interviews, and observation, and literature review. Research can be classified according to its approach into two main types, and the other historical research, case study research, and experimental research. I'm taking the qualitative and quantitative research in my topic. What is the qualitative research? Qualitative research is the naturalistic and interpretative approaches, and concerned with understanding the meaning which people attach to phenomena and actions and decisions and beliefs and value, etc. Within that social words, qualitative research serves as a powerful tool for delving into the intricacies of human behaviors and experiences and attitudes and intentions and motivations. Uh, Qualitative research helps us to understand the world in which we live and why things are the way they are. The goals of qualitative research is the development of concepts which help us to understand social phenomena in a natural setting, and giving you emphasizes to the meaning and experiences and views of all the participants which are going to research. Qualitative research represents paradigmatic shift in how we approach the study of social phenomena and challenging conventional notions of objectivity and generalizability and causality by embracing complexity and contextuality and reflectivity and qualitative and causality by embracing complexity and contextuality and reflectivity and qualitative. Qualitative research is characterized by its focus on exploring the meaning that individuals attach to their experiences of the world. In the easy language, we can say that the qualitative research is explores meaning, interpretations, and experiences, and throughout the non-numerical data, and such like words, image, and observations. Qualitative research is a scientific method of observation together non-numerical data. And this type of research refers to the meaning, concept, definition, characterization, and metaphors, symbols, and description of things, and not the counts of measures. Uh, and this is the definition given by Lindsay and Lincoln's qualitative research. The qualitative research research method is characterized by its focus on numbers and measurable phenomena and employing a systematic approach to investigate relationship between variables. The research is also known as empirical research, and it can be accurately and preciously measured. And the quantitative methodology is often portrayed as an approach to social research that apply principles akin to those found in a natural science, and particularly it positivist perspective to study social phenomena. And the research methodologist seems rarely to write about the nature of their research activities in contrast to plausible and alternative. The quantitative research, it is the works collecting and analyzing the numerical data to understand and describe the phenomena. The qualitative research is informed by objectivity, epistemology, and thus it seeks to develop explanatory universal laws in social behavior by statistical measuring that what is assumed to be a static reality. This is the definition of quantitative research. Quantitative research facilitates the construction of graphs, tables, and charts to visualize raw data, aiding, aiding research in the interpretation and analysis of results. This research method relies on quantifiable measures and statistical technique to study relationship patterns and trends within a population of or samples. Quantitative research provides a rigorous and systematic approach to understanding and explaining phenomena by using numerical data, and it is widely used across various disciplines, including social science, natural science, and healthcare. This is the table which is I summarized from ChatGPT. This is the describe the difference between qualitative research and quantitative research. Uh, Comparative analysis between qualitative and quantitative research. Qualitative and quantitative, both research methodologies represent distinct paradigms and social science inquiry, and both each other offering unique perspective and approach to understanding phenomena. Qualitative and quantitative research examine their epistemology and theoretical and methodological underpinnings, and both the quantitative and qualitative research methodologies exhibit strength and weakness, which to some extent complement each other. Quantitative research establishing cause and effect in relationship, testing hypothesis, testing hypothesis, and governing the opinions and attitudes and behaviors of a large population. And the qualitative research is adept and generating hypotheses and theories, and describing in intricate process like decision making or communication. Qualitative research commonly associated with the positivity approach, and it is emphasizing operational and definitional objectivity and replicability and causality, and it is also seeks to establishing cause and effect in a relationship throughout statistical analysis. In the contrast, qualitative research take a more interpretive stance, uh, aiming to understand the social world from the perspective of the actors involved. These are some advantages and disadvantages of qualitative research. In the left side, advantages. The qualitative research approach offers several advantages that make it a valuable method for understanding and complex phenomena in real life context. And qualitative research allows researchers to gather rich and detailed data from participants and in their natural environments. Qualitative research allows theory to emerge from the data itself, rather than relying solely on pre-existing theories. It is also considered human thought and action with a social content, and encompassing a broad range of phenomena such as the interaction, thought process, and the cultural norms. This data also facilitated a collaboration and co-creation of knowledge. The disadvantages of qualitative research. Qualitative research also faces the several limitations and criticisms. In one significant challenge is the limited generalizability of finding, as qualitative research often focus on specific individuals or the groups. It is also may encounter challenges with replicability due to its reliance on subjectivity and interpretation and non-standard and non-standard data collection methods. It is also often produced complex and nuanced finding that may be challenging to simplify or summarize. It is the data offers value insights into complex in rich and detailed data collect method and fostering collaboration between researcher and the participants. And these are the disadvantages to use this qualitative research. These are the advantages and disadvantages of quantitative research. The advantages of quantitative research. One of the primary benefits is to lie in its efficiency and cost effectiveness. Quantitative research enable to generalization throughout the application of scientific methods, and this research facilitates reflectivity and its structured methodology enable consistent result across different contexts. The quantitative research provides opportunities for experimental design and control to allowing research to manipulate and variable and test hypothesis, and this research also promotes researcher and detachment and minimizing bias and subjectivity in data collection and analysis. The disadvantages of quantitative research. Despite its advantages, quantitative research also faces criticism and limitations by people. Quantitative research may prioritize quantity over quality. It is also focused on measurable outcome at the expense of nuance and insight. The quantitative research lacks flexibility in data collection and analysis, and adhering to predetermined hypothesis and research protocol. This data also may overlook the subjective experiences and perspectives of participants, and reducing the richness and depth of understanding. The quantitative research may confirmation of existing theories over the discovery of novel insights. In conclusion, qualitative and quantitative research methods both have offer distinct approaches to understanding and investigating phenomena in various fields such as the marketing, business, sociology, psychology, science, technology, and economics, and also in the literature. While qualitative research focus on verbal narrative and in-depth throughout the methods like interviews and focus on groups. Quantitative research is relies on logical or statistical observation to draw the conclusion, and often utilizing structure and interviews and observations. The data, both the research have their own differences. It can be complementary when we use these together. Researcher may employ technique from both traditional simultaneously, and allowing for a more comprehensive understanding of the research topic. And for the example, the researcher may begin with a qualitative approach to develop insight and then translation to into the qualitative analysis to validate findings or explore the specific trendings further. And these are the references.
Neeraj, what are the key difference between qualitative and quantitative research, and how they help each other to find a more good research?
The quantitative research is uses the numbers and statistic for the analysis, but the qualitative research is explores the meaning, words, photos, and the speeches of our own, and the for and not use the numerical research in the words.
Nirali, can a qualitative and quantitative research method be combined in a single study? If yes, so how it is possible?
When we research on a particular topic, that time we find that the qualitative and the quantitative both research are different from each other because they qualitative focus on the quality, and the quantitative is focused on the also quantity, and it is also on the based on the numbers, and both are the when we study it in together, and then we studied the combined study, and then we analyzing both in a different way, and then we put in a combined way. That time we realize that this is the this research